Hi, I'm Patsy Boyce. I teach in the biology department at Carson-Newman, and I'm real happy to be talking with you today about what we do in biology. So if you're interested in coming to Carson-Newman, of course, I believe that the best place to be is in the biology department. The study of biology is the study of life, and that's the life on this beautiful planet that we call our home. So that's the life of our bodies, outside of our bodies, all the beautiful animals, the plants, the microorganisms, everything that inhabits this wonderful world is what we study. So our graduates go on to fields in the health professions. So we have lots of pre-health programs. They go to field work. They go into laboratory work. They work for resource agencies like the Tennessee Wildlife Resource Agencies. They work for the national parks. They work at the zoo. We have individuals in almost every facet of life. We've had individuals who've majored in biology and gone on to be medical illustrators, who've gone on to take other talents that they've had to other parts of the world. We have a very active research outreach program. We send students to laboratories in Knoxville, to laboratories in the Northeast, in the South. We have an association with the Gulf Coast Research Laboratory, so students get to go out and play in the waters of the Gulf. And we have an involvement with our entire community. We have outreach to the local schools. We do conservation programs, environmental teaching and learning. One of our faculty has just started an ambassadors program where she'll be taking students into the elementary and middle schools doing education with them and helping science teachers in those programs get a better feel for education and how it's changing. So we think we just have a real exciting program. Besides doing all the classwork, we have something that's very unusual for most small schools in the nation. We actually have a Cadaver Lab, and I have the good fortune of being the director for the Cadaver Lab. So we have a male and a female cadaver that we use for 3 consecutive years, and then we get new dead people. And so I think for a school Carson-Newman size to offer that kind of program makes us really unique and offers our students an advantage. So when they go to professional schools, they've had an experience that even people from the larger universities in the nation have not had. So we have students who compete very well for both graduate programs and programs in the health sciences. And I think having the Cadaver Lab helps them do that because they've had that unique experience. And we also extend that experience to the community. If right now you're sitting in a high school and you have an anatomy program that you're involved in or a biology program, talk to your teacher, have her contact me, because we can arrange for your school to come to campus and have a cadaver tour, as we call it. See our campus, see the lab, get exposed to things you may not have an opportunity to be exposed to. We have outreach within the department itself because we have a branch of the National Biology Society, the Honor Society called Tri Beta. Our unit is called Eta Tau. We're very active. Every month we do a community outreach project. We go out in the community and do service. We maintain a 2-mile stretch of 11E, which is one of the major highways leading to Carson-Newman. We have a community center that we work with, the Senior Citizen Center down in Newmarket. We go out to local hospitals. We go to retirement centers, as well as doing a service project each month. Now, it's not all about work. We also have fun, so we have a fun activity each month. We ride the Virginia Creeper Trail, so a great bike trip, 17 miles downhill. That makes it really fun. We go biking at Panther Creek. We go on hikes in the Smoky Mountains. We have faculty members that invite us over to their homes, and we play volleyball and ride go-karts. We go nerd bowling, as we call it. We try to have as much fun as we do learning. And so I think that makes a real commitment within our students because they see that an education's not just about stuffing all these facts in your head, it's making you a mature person. And so in the biology department, we try to fulfill both parts of that mission, helping you be an educated person and helping you be someone who understands that life and experience of life is more than just that learning within the textbook. So we try to have a good time too. We have a great congenial faculty. We have 8 members of our faculty. 6 of those have PhDs, 2 with masters. Our youngest faculty member, and in fact, I hate to say it, but one of my former students is now completing his PhD. So he's one of my colleagues. And another faculty member with a master's, very involved in the environmental sciences. In fact, she right now is working on a textbook and will be the lead author. So we think we have a very qualified faculty that's doing research in a variety of areas. We have funding from the Appalachian College Society, from the National Science Foundation, from local resource agencies to provide research opportunities both in the laboratory and out in the field. So we think that we can offer you a good experience and a good background of faculty, both as people, as individuals of faith, and individuals who believe that science offers a lot to help our world be a better place in which to live.